That's a cover of John's old band.
Man, I didn't know Sliders played, man.
No! Alright, this song's off our 7-inch.
Yeah, it's called Bungee Girth. No, Bungee. Wait, here we go. It's about having a baby in a toilet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who had a baby in the bathroom? Who tried to convince her she was never pregnant? Who tried to flush it down but almost died because she didn't know she had the umbilical cord?
Can you tell the kind of thing from the look in her eyes? A mixture of shock and pain and surprise.
Burst blood vessels in her eyes. Baby, baby, who's baby, who's baby, 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 who's baby, who's baby, baby, baby. I know a secret, I was listening at the door. I heard you flush 3 times, maybe it was 4. When you leaked out, you left a bloody trail. I saw you dragging your bloody purple tail. Baby, baby, who's baby, who's baby, 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 who's baby, who's baby, baby, baby,
Alright, there's lots of other bands that have to play.
Yep.
This is our last song.
Yep. And it's about a fish. And he cusses.
Okay, we gotta start out with
What's the ugliest part of your body? What's the ugliest part of your body? Some say your nose, some say your toes, but I think it's your mind. I think it's your mind. Who's swimming around his mail jar, minding his own biz, with little Hermie Halbert, the abrasive Tourette's fish. You see, Dory was a harsh one, his words they cut like knives. You see, Dory was a foul sailor in his former life. Whoa, and Dory screamed, fuck! And Dory screamed, shit! And twitch, and wine from his face. Joe, all was going swell. Joe took his fish to Sunday school. The teacher brought up hell. Lives beneath us in a fiery place. When you lie and cheat and rape and steal, it's him you'll have to face. And hurry, scream! Fuck you, you son of a bitch! Yeah. I'll kill you, you cunt, 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 cunt. I'm really hurting myself today. I used to have respect for you, lady. Now I take it all back. Cause you gave me all the pussy, and you even licked my balls.
Alright. Okay, here's the last.
Wait, keep going, please, play. Eric, no, this is the anthem right here. You better rock if you want to survive. If you don't rock, then you're gonna die. It's coming round the bend. Motherfucking rock apocalypse. Sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. And he gets sexual.
They left him in a building foundation.
Left him for dead. 100 years later, when they tore the building down, there's only a million construction workers. Their awful sound. Yeah, Herbie said lots of bad words. Fuck! Six! Fuck! Six! Everybody, you too. Say these words. Dairy Queens and the Gummies are up next. Stick around. Los Rabbis. Last show ever of the Gut Monkeys.
All right, this is a very special occasion, much more special than us.
I'm hella angry.
As
Because I got
rare
a Gut
as
Monkeys
I would
tattoo.
be to say this.
And I'm hella mad right now. How you better string that on a motherfucker like that?
The Gut Monkeys, one of the greatest bands this galaxy has ever known. It's going to be playing their last show tonight. And yeah, so everyone, stick around.
Who has a tattoo? I'm sorry.
If the police show up, form a barricade around the Gut Monkeys. All right, thank you.
This ain't the last Gut Monkey show for real though.
Adam Country. Adam Country. This is our last show in this country. Check. Hello. For all you who are sick and were on the bus, this song's called The Ferret of Death. And if you're gonna sick, you're going to die because the ferret of death is coming for you. Hit it!
Thanks a lot. Fucking camel, get that right. All right.
Doing the girl in my mind, fuck me all the time. Watch the bull riddle high. All the together, out of the get on you. Out of the people when I cry. Keep on walking, like these guys. Girl in my mind, fuck me all the time, wonderful little high.
My man started paddle next to it. Play the words to the ejaculate. Anybody have another guitar? E string, like you must have Oh my god.
Another guitar?
We need an extra guitar.
An extra guitar, if anybody's got it.
With 6 strings or E strings. Give me a low E string and I'll do it hell fast.
Let's go, my man.
People
moving out, people moving in, not to judge by the color of the skin. Work, work, cause you cannot survive like a rolling stone.
Alright, I'm gonna get a guitar strap. I'm about to give me a guitar.
Got another guitar, anybody?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh yeah. Once again, I'm coming through the window. Ice Cube going to the liquor store. Telling you about a beer that's better than the rest. The ST period, IDE to the S. And it'll put hair on your chest in the black can. So won't you grab a 6-pack and get your girl in the mood quicker. Get your Jimmy thicker with St. I smell liquor. Do we have another guitar? Do we have another guitar?
Ass motherfuckers in the heat now.
I'm from Brooklyn! That's where I'm from!
Hey, give me up!
I got another guitar.
Give me you! Give me a C! Give me a K! What's that spell? What's that spell? Now, come on, sinners! Them boys after Vietnam!
Hey! The drum wants stuck. Alright, I got one. You gotta get this shit moving. Alright. It's broken.
It's broken, dude. It's broken.
What's wrong? I just fucked up. Broken. Fucked up, Mike. Don't fuck up. Okay, we put some songs. Like, that's Billy fucking Graham right there. It's our leader. Alright. happy friend here broke the lamp, just to let you know why there's no light.
Fuck! I'm talking about you. Fuck! Get the fuck out of here! You fucking broke the lamp!
Hippie boy broke the lamp.
Hey, who invited the hippie?
On my camera, I should fucking kick your ass. Good, it's alright. I sucked your fucking face. Sonny broke the lamp.
He spilled his beer.
He stepped on it.
San Francisco, Haight-Ashbury.
Hey, where's the vocals at?
Haight-Ashbury's being yuppie.
Someone get this guy out before he breaks any more things.
Corporations, so fuck Haight-Ashbury.
Somebody call security, get this man out of here. We should keep our psycho. We have like 12 minutes or something, you know?
Fuck the hate!
Oh, you're gonna have a good video. You're gonna have a good video. Describe it as voice. Everything that's happening. Describe everything that's happening.
Okay. Right now we're looking at nothing because nothing's going on.
We are the CIA! FBI! The National Security Agency! Hey, fuck the government, kiss my ass! I've never been a politician with class, and I like to rake their eyeballs.
Hey, we're the boys you were fucking on. You guys can talk all the fuck you want, man. Now we're rock stars, so shut up. Alright, let's go.
Let's get closer of nothing. Woo! Extreme zoom of nothing. Wow, look at that. So John, you want an interview? Wherever you are.
I have a black mask due to the stupid hippie breaking the lamp.
Hey, do you got $2, dude? For fucking balls?
Haight-Ashbury, man.
Hey! Am I looking at live sex act? Oh my God, everybody's making out all over the place. Everyone's naked and getting it on right now. Oh God, you can't see it because some dumbass broke the lamp.
All right, go ahead.
I don't give a fuck with it. You speak of wine. I don't care where we ride. I don't give a fuck with it. You speak of wine. I don't care where we
Alright, boy, two quick ass ones real fast, okay? Everybody. West Wisconsin City right now. We're fast.
Wisconsin City.
Hey, man. We got 2 songs.
Hey, man.
Oh, my God.
We kept it involved, dude. Revenge of the Nerds. My Revenge of the Nerds.
There's the Nurse, take 3.
Yeah. Like, girls just want to have fun. Come on now.